welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be going through my picks for this year's Nordstrom Anniversary Sale.
So until then, just wait.
If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, mostly handbags. I like those a lot. But if any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like, and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And without any further ado, let's get on into the video. Alright my friends, the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale is upon us once again. This happens every July and it's a really darn-tootin' good time. No, it's really fun. It's a great time and people get a lot of really good deals. Some of the deals are not that great, they're like meh. The other deals are really, really good. So I want to go over a few things here. I have a couple of categories that I wanted to show you guys, and I am going to share with you what I do plan to buy during this sale because there are a lot of good stuff. Now, if you are like a Nordstrom card holder, I do believe that you're already able to shop this sale. Card holders are able to shop the sale on like the 9th or something like that, and today it is the 12th as I film this. Yeah, everybody else or people that have like accounts that can shop on the 13th tomorrow, that's when I'm able to shop. And then I think there's people that are just like standard customers, they don't have an account or anything like that, then they're able to shop on like the 15th or the 17th. I don't remember, but I am able to shop on the 13th, so tomorrow. And I do have some things on my wish list that I want to go ahead and pick up. Let's go ahead and start off with the first category here. Let's just go ahead and do beauty, because I do have a couple of things in the beauty category and I will be showing you the ones that I do plan to get myself. So this is the first thing. It is the Saint Tropez Jumbo Self Tan Bronzing Mousse. I do normally use the Jergens like self tanner kind of thing, but this one I found and it is like a $80 value. It's like a huge big bottle and it's $46. I've never used this before, so I'm hoping it gets you like a bit darker than, you know, I guess normal, because I'm very, very pasty. I'm very white. So like I do like it to be like a little bit darker just to give my legs some actual color. So I am going to get this. It's definitely on a good sale. So there's that. I've never actually used Saint Tropez before. Or yes, I have. I have used Saint Tropez. I used to use it back when Candy Johnson would like rave about Saint Tropez. So I bought it back then, but it's been a while since I've used it since, so I am going to go ahead and pick that up. Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Lip Kit. This is pretty good if you are someone that does wear the Pillow Talk lipstick a lot. I have one in my room area, but I don't wear it too often. I don't actually know why. I mean, I think it's a really nice lipstick, but it's not an everyday lipstick like it is for a lot of people. It's got a matte one, it's got the pencil, and it has the Pillow Talk Hyaluronic Happy Kiss lipstick. I don't know what that is, but I do think this is a really good value for what it is. It's normally like $92, and then I think with this sale it's like 40 something, 59. So 59, and it's normally 92. Not a bad one. To my knowledge, these are all full-size products as well. So definitely if you're into something like this. Let's see, going down, I have another thing. It's like a kit. It's so cool. And this is the Dior Addict lip set. And people are obsessed with these, you guys. People are in love with these Dior Lip Glow Lip Addict thingies. I might actually get this myself because I feel like I just want to be part of the hype. This is giving me FOMO, and I don't know what to do about it because I'm like, look, I don't need another lip balm. I don't need another lipstick or whatever, but I keep seeing everybody and their mom have this and use this, and I kind of want it. So maybe I'll cave and get this, but this is $58 and it's 3 products. It is the Dior Glow Balm, the Lip Maximizer Serum, and then the Dior Addict Lip Maximizer. And I do believe they're all full-size products as well. Okay, so that's all for beauty. I do want to get into some like homeware stuff, like some homeware items. The first thing on my homeware list is, you guys, literally every single Nordstrom Anniversary Sale, the Barefoot Dreams blankets go on sale. And everybody raves about the Barefoot Dreams blankets. I understand too, because I have one right over here. But I'm not gonna buy another one because in my opinion, the Barefoot Dreams blankets, where they are very, very nice, I just don't think that they are super duper worth it. Well, let me take that back. I don't think they're worth it at their normal price because their normal price is like 150 bucks. But if you get one on sale, they're on sale for 97. That's, you know, a better price, but still it's a blanket. There's those unhide blankets that I think people like a lot as well. They come in FabFitFun boxes a lot. Those ones I think are really nice. There are some from Target that I've gotten that I think are super duper nice. So do I think that you need a Barefoot Dreams blanket? No, but if you want to treat yourself and get a super, super bougie blanket, then I think that's also a good option. Next up for homeware, this is not considered homeware, but I did just want to go ahead and add it to the list here because I've been really interested in this. I'm not going to pick this up this time around. I will wait because I'm not planning on going onto any more trips soon, but I want the Beis carry-on roller suitcase. I have it right here in a green color. I do think it comes in like a beige. I'd rather have it in like the beigey color, but I've heard so many good things about this Beis suitcase. When I think of Beis, I think of like a lower priced Ramona. So like, I think if you're someone that is looking into the Ramona suitcases, but they're way too expensive and pricey, which they are, the Beis ones is kind of like, they're still really great, but they're just a lower tier version of that. I say lower tier, I don't mean it like that. I mean like, it's like the starting ones, like the starter ones, and then the Ramona ones is like the super ones that are high up there. But anyways, the Beis suitcases I really, really, really want. I would get the Beis over the Ramona at this point because the Ramona suitcases and carry-ons, I just cannot. Maybe in the future when I'm rich, but I am not. So I think I'll just stick with the Beis at this point. But they do come in loads of other colors. It comes in this pretty green color, comes in pink, comes in beige, and it's very nice. And it's normally 200 bucks, but the carry-on, this is a carry-on one. I don't know how expensive the checked luggage one is, but this one is $137 now. And I think this would just be a really good option if you are someone that is traveling soon or wants to travel within the foreseeable future. Next up for homeware, I really hope this doesn't sell out because I would like to get this, but we'll kind of see. This is candles. So replica candle set. It's a candle and fragrance combo, and it's really, really nice. I've been wanting to try the Jazz Club fragrance for a while now, and we are, I guess, getting more into fall. I am trying to like preemptively make fall happen because I'm sick of summertime. I want fall and winter so badly because those have genuinely just become my two favorite seasons. I love fall and winter so much because of the fashion. Like, I want to be able to wear like 15 jackets, okay? I want to be able to wear 4 pairs of socks. And I want to wear my trench coat. I want to wear my super heavy, beautiful coats, and I just want all of it. So I can't wait for fall and winter time. But this Jazz Club set is a retail value of $141, and it's on sale for $95. So it's a pretty good deal. I don't know if I'm gonna get this yet. I'm just kind of just looking at a lot of this stuff. Okay, another kind of like homey thing. It's not home. This is more of like a fragrance. When I said home for the replica scent, I meant for the candle. And then you have the fragrance as well. But this one's also very nice. It is a Jo Malone exclusive, and it is a cologne set, and it is like a minis set. It's so cute. You get nectarine blossom and honey, English pear and freesia, peony and blush suede, and mimosa and cardamom, wood sage, and sea salt. These are a lot of really good fragrances, and I think that these are some of Jo Malone's most popular scents. So I do think this would be really great if you are into something like this. This is $115 value, and it's on sale for $87. Okay, I have like one clothing item in here just because I wanted to add something in the clothing area. I've been looking at these kind of regularly, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna get these because I did order something similar from Revolve, and I think I like the Revolve ones more, but I am going to go ahead and add this. These are the Spanx faux leather leggings. I do have some faux leather leggings that I got from Amazon, and I do actually really like them, believe it or not. I'm just trying to find some that are, I guess, a better quality, but the thing is that the Amazon ones I find to be pretty good quality anyways. I wear them in the fall and I love them a lot, but these ones are really nice too. These ones seem to have more of like a sheen to them. They're a little more shiny than the ones that I currently have that are like pretty matte, but they're still really nice. They are normally $100 and they're on sale for $64.90. So if you are looking for some faux leather leggings, I would kind of get these, but I do have some on the way that I did get from Revolve, and they are faux leather and they're more of like a pant, and I really like that a lot. They're like a pant and it has pockets, and yeah, so I like that style as well. I do have a few pairs of shoes, and this is probably going to be my last category because this is actually what I'm really excited about. Well, I have a few pairs of shoes and one accessory. So these ones are the ones that I want the most, and they're currently still in stock. So I'm hoping these are still going to be in stock tomorrow. These are BCBG generation, I don't know, but they are the Marlino snake embossed slide sandal. That's what it says, and it's a sandal that has like that braided rope detail around it with a square toe, and that looks really, really nice. I still think it would look nice for what is left of summertime. I mean, summertime is still for all of this month and next month, because do people consider August fall? I personally do. I think technically now it's like June, July, August is summer. September, October, November is fall, which is weird to me because in my mind, I've always thought that. Did it change? Because I've always thought that May, June, July was summer, and then August, September, October was fall. November, December, January was winter. I don't know. I'm gonna say that in my mind that August is like the very beginning of fall time because that's what I like. But I really want to wear these. These would also look cute in the fall. Like I want to get them in either the black color or the tan color. They both look really, really nice. So I'm definitely, these are like absolutely on my list. I do want to get these. Another ones that I would like to get if I can, they're probably going to be sold out, but these are from Franco Sarto. They're like a very short kind of pump. They're not a kitten heel per se, but they're kind of on the lines of a kitten heel. I really wanted the black ones, but they're totally sold out. So I'm hoping that maybe they'll come back in stock for tomorrow. But they do have these nice red ones right here. And if I can't get them during the sale, I might just pick them up at later time. Oh, I forgot to tell you, braided ones, the braided sandal that I was just telling you about, those ones are normally $100 and they're on sale for $67. And then these ones that I just showed you right here are $120 and they're on sale for $80. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much all that I had on my list. Oh, wait, one accessory that I do have here, and that is these Fendi sunglasses. I like these sunglasses. I think they're really cool. I like Fendi a lot. I'm really into them. And it doesn't show the price. It just says to add to bag to see price. So I don't actually know what they are regularly. I'm going to assume since they're Fendi, maybe like $300, $300, $350, something like that. So maybe they're on sale for like $100 off or something. I'm not entirely sure. But I do like those glasses. There are some Dior sunglasses that I've been trying to get. These ones aren't even part of the sale. Of course they're not. The ones that I want are not even part of the sale. We love it. I'm gonna add it to my wish list though. Okay, anyways, that was my list. I know it's definitely not as much as a lot of other people's lists. I know some people have like huge long lists, and I know Chase Amy and A Heated Mess and other YouTubers have been doing these videos for like a whole week now. I know I'm a little late, but I don't know, I just wanted to do it anyways. It's really nice and fun for me, but I may not get too many things from this sale. The only thing that I know that I really want to get are those braided sandals and probably like the replica thing with the fragrance and candle combo. I do like that. We should be getting our new table in the living room or the kitchen area. Finally, you guys, this is the end of the video. If you don't want to watch the rest of it, then this is the end. But we ordered a table, like a dining table from American Signature Furniture. I will never order anything from them again because we ordered this back in December and it was pre-ordered, which we knew and we understood. It was pre-ordered and they said that we would get it in March. It got pushed back so many times and it's now July. And now they're saying that we would probably get it between July 20th and July 27th. And I'm like, we ordered this back in December of 2021. They're like, yeah, there's nothing we can do about it. I'm just like, yeah, well, I'm excited to have it. I can't wait to have it after that. I don't think I'm gonna order anything else from them. But yeah, I'm actually very excited to have the table. I can't wait. I genuinely think that once we have this table, then it's just gonna make the entire apartment come together. I really, really like the table. Anyways, that was it. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if there's anything in particular that you're adding to your wish list for the Nordstrom sale. Let me know if you're a Nordstrom card holder and you've already shopped the event. Let me know what you got. Or just leave me a comment telling me something in general, just because I'm nosy and I wanna know everything. But you guys, again, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and subscribe if you want to, and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!